Good afternoon everybody, and we will start our class. Okay, Runtala chilo. Okay. So this is class we will start, and today we will write one word answers. Okay. So we will go through the statement and then we will write. So the first one is given here. First one is we often use this to cross. We often use this to cross water body. First one word question is given here, statement is given here. We often use this to cross water body, railway tracks or two joining roads. So what it would be? What it would be? Give the answer. I have given few statements and you have to write the answer. First one is we often use this to cross water body, railway tracks or two joining roads. So from where we started to cross, what it should be? Respond fast. It should be, Ishan is typing, Ishan write fast. What it should be? It should be bridge. Write down here, bridge. Okay, so the first answer is bridge. Yes, Ishan has written the correct answer, it is bridge. So the first statement, we often use this to cross water body, railway tracks or two joining roads. It should be bridge. Now see the number 2 statement. Pulley helps this vehicle to move across the road and to reach the other side of the river or hill. What it should be? Yes, please write in your copy because these all one word answer you will get in your exam also. So you kindly copy it down in your copy because these questions, more or less inside questions, will come in your PT1 also. This is the first chapter and it will come in your PT1. Okay. So the next one is pulley helps this vehicle to move across the road and to reach the other side of the river or hill. What it would be? Tell me what it would be. Board is not at all hazy, dear. What it would be? Yes, Nehanjana, you will write in the copy. Only Ishan is giving the answer. Very good, Ishan. This should be, no, we are using pulley for crossing this vehicle. This vehicle is crossing with the help of the pulley. So what it should be? It should be trolley. Write down trolley. With the help of the pulley, yes, trolley crosses two hills or over the river. So it is a trolley. Yes, Ishan, it is trolley. Very good. Now, this one is so easy. I hope everybody will able to give the answer. The third one is write the name of a semi-pakka bridge. Write the name of a semi-pakka bridge. So, what would be the semi-pakka bridge? Name the semi-pakka bridge. What it would be? What would be the semi-pakka bridge? Answer fast. There are three kinds of. It is not the cement bridge. It is a semi-pakka means not total cemented. It is not so stronger. So what it would be? It would be bamboo bridge. It should be the bamboo bridge. Yes. Sohana is correct. It is bamboo bridge. And because cement bridge is a pakka and strongest bridge, isn't it? And when the bamboo bridge is with the ropes they are being setting up, it is a semi-pakka bridge. Pakka because few people can cross the bridge, but it is not so pakka. It can be broken down. So it is a semi-pakka bridge. Okay. So bamboo bridge is a semi-pakka bridge. Next one is the small wooden boat found in Kerala. And students go to school from this using this type of boat. What is the name of that boat? The small wooden boat found in Kerala. What would be the name of that boat? Write fast. What would be the name of the boat? Yes, very good. Again, only Ishan is giving all the answers. Sohana has given one answer only. So, other people where you are, other students participate for giving answer. Maybe this is wrong, maybe this is right, but at least try, no? Only Ishan is trying and he is giving all the correct answers. Saurish, who has given? Shosthav also given. This is Valam. It is Valam. Okay. Now, fifth one, I hope everybody will able to give the answer. Fifth is students use this cart to reach school in desert areas. Students use this cart to reach school in the desert area. Which kind of cart? Very good. Ishan again given. It is a camel cart. It is camel cart. Next one or the sixth one is people use this kind of cart especially in the villages of plain. Sosthav has written the correct answer. It is a camel cart. Now, next one is, yes, next one is people use this kind of cart especially in the villages of plain area. So, it should be, again Ishan is correct, it is a bullock cart. Ishan is giving the first correct answer. So, it is a bullock cart. It is a bullock cart, isn't it? Now, yes, it is bullock cart. Sasthav is also giving the answer. Seventh one is write the name of the vehicle which is made by using waste materials. Write the name of the vehicle. Write the name of the vehicle which is made by using waste material. What it would be? We are using some waste material and making this cart. Yeah, it is not Vellum dear. Vellum is a small wooden boat. I am talking about the vehicle which is being used up. Yes, Ishan is correct again. It is Jugat, especially in the Gujarat. The front part looks like the motorcycle and the back part is actually made by some wooden planks, isn't it? So, it is people using some waste material and making this kind of vehicle. So, this is Jugat. Write down Jugat. It is Jugad. Now, the next one is, in this place you can hear sound of different birds and other animals. So, in this place you can hear sound of some birds and other animals. So, which place we can hear the sound of animals and birds? What place it should be? Yes, very good. It is a jungle. Shubhoshri Gormukar also given Jugad, but Ishan has given the first correct answer. Shori is also given. So, you can write jungle. In bracket you can write forest. Forest and jungle both are the correct answer, because jungle and forest is same. So, we can write forest or jungle. The both are correct answer. Yes, Shrijaz also given, Shiraj also given the correct answer. It is jungle actually, isn't it? And the last one is, the path of this geographical area are rocky and uneven. In which place and geographical area you can see the path are very uneven and rocky. Which place? The path of the place is very uneven and rocky. Which place the path of these places are very uneven and rocky? Yes, you can say rocky path. Actually, these are the mountains, okay, or the hilly area. Mountains or the hilly area. So, that's all for your one word answer. Once I will repeat all the statements so that you can write. Them. If anywhere it is being not completed, you can write it. Okay, that's why I will repeat all the answers or all the statement. So, these all are the one word answers, and first one is, you can see the board properly, and I am repeating all the statement. First one is, we often use this to cross water body, railway tracks or two joining roads, and the answer is bridge. Again, we often use this to cross water body, railway tracks or two joining roads, and the answer is bridge. Second statement is given here. Pulley helps this vehicle to move across the rope and to reach the other side of the river or hill, and that answer is trolley. Third is, write the name of a semi-pakka bridge, and the answer is bamboo bridge. Fourth one is, the small wooden boat found in Kerala is Vellam. The small wooden boat found in Kerala, what it should be? It is Vellam. Fifth statement is, students use this cart to reach school in desert area. Students use this cart to reach school in desert area. So, in the desert area, camels are very common, so they reach to school in a camel cart. So, the answer is camel cart. Sixth statement is, people use this kind of cart especially in the villages of plain area. So, it is a bullock cart. Seventh, write the name of the vehicle which is made by using waste materials. write the name of the vehicle which is made by using waste material, and that is Jugat. Okay, so the answer is Jugat. 8. In this place you can hear sound of different birds and other animals. Number 8. In this place you can hear sound of different birds and other animals. Naturally, it is jungle. In the jungle we can hear sound of different birds and animals, isn't it? Now the 9th one is, the path of this geographical area are rocky and uneven. And the path, which places the path are very uneven and rocky? These are mountainous area or hilly area, isn't it? So these all 9 one word answer you write in the copy, because these all are important, and these kind of question you can get in your PT1 exam. So kindly write it in your copy, and further I will check, maybe I will check it, and then I will ask you these things in the class also. So that's all for the day. You please give your attendance, and goodbye.